Are you as more people invest in creating a cozy and stylish dining space? The demand for high-quality, comfortable dining chairs has skyrocketed. While Ikea is widely known for its affordable yet aesthetically pleasing furniture, choosing the right dining chair can still be a challenge. This guide explores some of the best Ikea dining chairs with cushions, focusing on key factors like comfort. List 1. VK Wooden Dining Chairs Set of 6. Modern fabric upholstered dining room chair, kitchen chairs. The VK wooden dining chairs are perfect for those looking to add a modern touch to their dining area without compromising on comfort. The set of 6 chairs features fabric upholstery that feels soft to the touch, while providing ample cushioning for long meals. The solid wooden frame ensures durability and supports up to 250 pounds per chair. The chairs are designed with a minimalist aesthetic, making them versatile for various home decor styles, from contemporary to traditional. These chairs also come with ergonomic backrests that offer support for your posture. Assembly is straightforward, and the overall build quality is impressive for the price. However, the fabric cushions may require occasional maintenance to keep them looking fresh. Overall, the VK chairs provide a solid mix of value, comfort, and modern style. List number: Giantex Wood Dining Chair Set of 4. Farmhouse Kitchen Chairs with Solid Wood Frame. Max load 355 pounds. Armless upholstered dining. The Giantex Wood Dining Chairs Set of 4 brings a blend of farmhouse charm and modern functionality. These armless dining chairs are constructed with a solid wood frame that promises a high load capacity of up to 355 pounds, making them perfect for families or heavy-duty use. The upholstered cushions offer a plush seating experience, and the neutral fabric complements a variety of dining room themes. The simple yet elegant design is ideal for farmhouse-inspired kitchens or rustic dining rooms. While the cushions are comfortable, some users report that the chairs may feel a bit rigid after long-term use. However, the chair's durability and sturdy construction ensure they remain a great investment for years to come. Easy to assemble. The Giantex chairs are an excellent choice for anyone looking to add character to their dining space without breaking the bank. List 3. Bedspick Rattan Dining Chairs Set of 4. Farmhouse Upholstered Caneback Kitchen Chair with Boucle Cushion. If you're looking for a combination of natural textures and plush comfort, the Bedspick Rattan Dining Chairs are a top pick. This set of 4 chairs features a unique blend of rattan frames and soft boucle cushions, offering both style and comfort. The caneback design adds an organic, boho vibe that's perfect for farmhouse or coastal-inspired dining rooms. The upholstered boucle cushions provide a cozy seating experience, while the sturdy frame ensures long-lasting support. The high-quality rattan construction is both stylish and durable, and it complements various decor themes. One potential downside is that the chairs may require occasional maintenance to keep the rattan looking pristine. However, these chairs stand out for their beautiful design and comfort, making them a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their dining space with something a bit more unique. List number: Signature Design by Ashley D19901 Behringer 18-inch Rustic Dining Chair with Cushions, 2-count, light brown. The Signature Design by Ashley Behringer 18-inch Rustic Dining Chairs bring a touch of rustic charm to any dining room. Sold in a set of 2, these chairs feature a warm, light brown finish and come with cushioned seats for added comfort. The durable, solid wood construction is built to last, while the neutral color and design make them versatile enough for a variety of dining room themes, from country chic to modern farmhouse. The cushioned seats are soft but firm, offering the right balance for extended sitting. These chairs are slightly on the larger side, making them more suited for spacious dining areas. The rustic look and timeless appeal of the Behringer chairs make them an attractive choice for anyone seeking a balance between style and practicality. However, the set only includes 2 chairs, so you'll need to purchase additional sets if you have a larger dining table. List number: Aliexpress Set of 4 Dining Kitchen Mid-Century Modern Chairs with wood legs and PU leather cushion for living room. The Aliexpress set of 4 dining chairs brings a mid-century modern flair to your dining room with its sleek wood legs and comfortable PU leather cushions. These chairs are not only stylish but also functional, offering a comfortable seating experience thanks to their cushioned, high-quality PU leather fabric. The solid wood frame ensures durability, and the minimalist design fits seamlessly into modern, contemporary, or even industrial dining spaces. The cushions are easy to maintain, making these chairs a practical choice for busy households. While the chairs are comfortable for most users, taller individuals may find them a bit too compact for extended use. Overall, the Aliexpress dining chairs are a great value for the price, offering a contemporary design and ease of use without sacrificing comfort or style.